Tina slowly. We be working all day long to push us money. We ain't playing no games. Sabatavi, Gani.
Hello guys, so we are going to do the solutions in a given interval. So I'm going to do one example. So this is our last example for general solutions. Then we are going to move straight to exam questions. So remember guys, we said to find the solutions in a given interval, you have to find the general solution first and then substitute k where the integer value to generate the solutions in the intervals. So in this case guys, we are given this thing. There's no need for us to change this thing because we don't have other hard trigonometric values. So I'm going to drop this cos 2x is equal to -1. The first thing I need to do is to divide by 2 both sides. So the cos 2x is equal to -1/2. Then I have to get my reference angle, guys. So reference angle is equals to arc, which is, we ignore the sign, we said it's going to be 1/2. So which is in this case is going to be 60. So guys, we already we saw that this numerical value is negative. So I need to go where cos is negative. We know that cos is negative on which quadrant? A second and a third. So I go to quadrant number 2. So in quadrant number 2 guys, we have 180 minus. So I'm going to say here we have a 2x, this is my angle here, equals to 180 minus your reference angle is 60 plus k to 360 degrees, where k is the element of integers. So this is 2x is equals to 120 plus k to 360 degrees, where k is the element of integers. So what you need to do guys, in order for you to get the x, you have to divide throughout by 2. Divide by 2. You also affect the period when you divide. So now you are going to have x equals to 120 divided by 2, you get 60 plus k to 180 degrees, where k is the element of integers. Understand? So this is your first solution for where cos is negative. So we go to quadrant number 3. So we're going to say 2x again, 180 plus, guys, which is your reference angle, in this case is 60, plus your period, which is k to 360 degrees, where k is the element of integers. So you drop 2x, so 180 plus 60, what do you get? You get 240 plus k to 360 degrees, where k is the element of integers. You don't forget the period. So then you divide by 2, then you also divide by 2 here. This will cancel out, then you are left with x. So 240 divided by 2, you get what? 120 degrees plus k. So 360 divided by 2, you get 180 degrees, where k, guys, is the element of integers. So after I'm done finding this general solutions, so I'm going to introduce the table. So I'm going to illustrate my table here. So this is my table because I want to get the solutions. So I'm going to use guys this solution and this solution, not the reference angle. So guys, I'm going to write here k. Remember your integers, guys, you have the positive integers and the negative integers. So it's 1, 2 and a 3, and up to positive infinity, -1, -2 to negative infinity. So I'm going to, since we have negative values here, guys, I'm going to start with -2, -1. You can start with -3, guys. You have 0, 1, 2. So I have this solution and this solution. So here I'm going to write x is equals to 60 degrees. Here x, and this one I'm going to write here x is equals to 120 degrees. So guys, wherever we see, I'm going to start with this one. Wherever we see k, I'm going to put -2 and put -1 and so on. So I'm going to say 60 plus, in place of k, we put -2 first, times 180. So we get here, guys, -300. Done. Degrees. Then we change to put -1. So we get -120 degrees. Then we change and put 0. We get 60 degrees. Then we change and put 1. We get 240. We change to get 2. We change to put 2. This is 420. Right. We're done for 60. Then we go to 120. We're going to do the same thing here. So I have 120 plus, in place of k, I'm going to put -2 first, times 180. We get -240. Then we put, guys, -1. We get -60. We put 0. Put 0. 180. We get 120. Now we put 1. It's 300. So do you see that 300, guys, is above 270? There's no need for me to continue. Then you need to ask yourself, which values do you need? We need the values between -180 and 270. So this one is lesser than -180, so we don't need -300. Do we need -120? Yes, we do. This is my solution. Do we need 60? Yes. Do we need 240? Yes. But do we need 420? No. I eliminate. Do we need -240? No. Do we need -60? Yes. Do we need 120? Yes. Do we need 300? No. So these are your solutions. So you are going to present your solution down. So how do you write them, guys? You need to know how do you write them. Then we make now we must make the conclusion. So I'm going to say therefore. Hope you can see, guys. So now I'm going to say therefore x is the element. So I'm going to write all the solution down here. So now we have what? We have a -120, the smallest, -60, then we have 60, then we have 120, then we have 240 degrees. So these are your solution. So guys, I hope you understand how do you use this table, or you can use any method you know, but as long as we get the same answer. So guys, thank you for watching. If you didn't subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share to your friend and tell them about this YouTube channel. So this amazing channel. So these exercises, guys, they are going to help you a lot when you are working with exam questions. You will see that when we tackle exam questions, everything is going to be easy. So guys, if you didn't watch the previous video where I'm explaining the basic concept of trigonometry, please do watch them. It's too early. You can cover everything. This chapter, guys, consists of a lot of marks. You cannot afford to miss even 1 mark here. It's easy. It's easy. It's very easy, guys. Believe me. I believe you. So thank you so much, guys. See you next time.